just want to say if you haven't checked out any of my other videos, make sure you do so. Thank you. All right, so let's go ahead. We are going to talk about, of course, hydration. Remember, you all, get your water in. The largest organ of the body is the skin, so we must hydrate our skin in every way. We have a protein-packed sweet potato lunch or dinner option for you. Here is a small clip of what I will be making on camera. Hello, you all. Welcome if you're new and welcome back if you are true. My name is Opal May, and this is what we're doing today. Hey, girl. Hey, or guys, if you're watching. So today's video, we are going to make a avocado dip on steroids. Okay, and then we're gonna pair it with a sweet potato. All right, if you are interested in how I make this delicious recipe, you know, avocado has antioxidants in it. It's good for the skin. It also has other healing properties. Okay, if you're interested, make sure you stay tuned. Let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so first off, I want to say thank you for staying tuned. I appreciate each and every one of you that have been commenting. I have picked up some new subscribers, so I'm super excited about that. If you want more videos, make sure that you subscribe, comment down below. You know, it helps the algorithm, and I'm trying to get my channel to grow. But anyway, you all, so this is what we're going to make today. So we have avocado, we have edamames, and we have peas, okay? Great, 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 green, green, green. Let's go ahead and get into it so you all can see how we make this. All right, so let's let the camera roll. Okay, so any edamames will do. The frozen, perfect, okay? Gonna go ahead, fill your pot with water, boil 15, well, that's about 20 to 25 minutes actually. Once they're finished boiling, you're going to add about a teaspoon of sea salt so you can have it flavored. You are going to go ahead and drain your edamames. Let them cool down a bit before you go mashing them. I found out this is more the difficult way for me. So instead of this, go ahead and blend it. It makes life so much easier. Make sure you add a couple tablespoons of water so it's not too thick. Very important, okay? Now that it's done, this is what it should look like. You want it to kind of have the consistency of avocado or guacamole dip, okay? For your edamames and also your peas, okay? Peas have water in them, so you don't have to really add too much water. I used about a half a cup of peas, 3/4 cup of edamame, and then we have our sweet potato. You can use any color sweet potato yam. It doesn't matter, a purple, a white one, a orange one, okay? Make sure you poke holes. You're gonna wrap it in foil, oven, 425 degrees for about 45 minutes to an hour, depending on how soft you want it, okay? Done. An hour might be a little too long. This one was a little soft, but it was still so good. Very, very good. Okay, so we have our edamame, we have our peas, and we have our avocado. Remember, peas already have water in them, so you don't really need to add too much, maybe about a teaspoonful, if that, okay? If you have a food processor, it works even better, guys. This is my Ninja. I also have a blender, but this is my go-to. My quick Ninja here is just, it's so quick, okay? So this is the consistency of the edamame and the peas. Now we're gonna cut your avocado open, and it's self-explanatory. For your lime, about 2 tablespoons is fine. Your cilantro, you can put as much as you want. Remember, put your cilantro in the refrigerator in water. It keeps it fresh longer. Yes, okay. So then a little more cilantro, because remember, you can put how much cilantro you want because this is your dip, okay? Not mine, all right? So then we have everything bagel seasoning. Don't be shy on the everything bagel seasoning. This is going to give it an amazing flavor, and I didn't realize that until after. So I was very gracious with it, but I did go back and add more. Okay, so now we have olive oil. This is Turkish olive oil. Jalapeno paste, optional, or you can do jalapenos. I didn't put any spice in it at all, okay? And then we have kale for good measure, because I have to have kale, like all of my stuff. All right, we have purple onions, because that's that sweet flavor. We have bell peppers, the red ones. You can add any color bell pepper. This is what I had. I also had an orange one, and I said, no, I'm just gonna do red today. All right, so you're gonna mix, and you're just gonna mix some more. Feel free to add more, whatever you would like in as far as the bell peppers or onions, okay? A little bit of sea salt, about a pinch. That's good enough, because there's your flavor, and you're just gonna mix that salt in there. Yes, because we need flavor, right? Now that our sweet potato is done, we are going to cut this baby in half. Okay guys, so the food is done. Let's go ahead and do a taste test on camera. We also have some fresh watermelon juice that I juiced 2 days ago, so I've been drinking on that along with other juices. That's gonna be our hydration, remember, and water, remember, hydrate that skin, right? Yeah, but anyway, so let's go ahead and try it. The Edamame's protein pack, avocado, we got your fiber, you got protein, you got your peas. This is a good, healthy lunch or dinner. Now this is quite a bit, so I would have to say I could have half for lunch and half for dinner, actually. That's a lot of food, and I'm sure I'll get full once I eat half and drink. Okay, so my camera cut off, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and try this. Yeah, avocado, edamame packed lunch/dinner. Remember, half now, half later. Let's go ahead and try. Tomatoes are optional. Really, I just did that just for presentation, and also the cabbage for presentation, because I feel like I needed a little bit of purple. But if y'all want to get healthy with me, subscribe, okay? Come back for more videos. Okay, so we got the avocado, edamame. Let's get a little bit of the cabbage with the sweet potato. Remember, change your mindset. It's a mental thing. We got the salty, because remember I did add sea salt to the avocado dip on steroids. And the potato is sweet, so we got the salty and the sweet, which is the sweet and savory. And hey, we're gonna eat some more. The onions and the bell pepper give it the crunch. Let's try it with the tomato. Not bad with the tomato. Would I put it on there again? Probably. But we do have to be careful with tomatoes, the acid and everything. So as we get older, gotta be careful. But anyway. We're gonna take a big bite. What would I do different? Add a little more of everything bagel seasoning on top. I would actually put more cabbage. The cabbage has a sweet to it, but it also has a crunch, and it's a nice combination. Your sweet potato, I cooked mine for about an hour. You can cook it less just to get it a little more thick. Instead of, mushier, the harder, probably the better. But other than that, that's the only changes I would do. The onions are great. And like I said, the cabbage, I would put more of that on top. The everything bagel. And it just makes it so complete, along with being complete in my body with the vitamins and the minerals and everything that this has to offer, as I'm on this journey to be as healthy as I can. So join me, okay? Some of our fresh watermelon. Watermelon and basil, a little bit of lemon. Talk to me now. Talk to me. Work with me, not against me, baby. Because this is good. Anyway, if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that like button. Comment down below. It helps the algorithm. Okay? I'm trying to help my channel grow. If you are already a subscriber, turn on your post notification bell so you'll be the first person to get the video. And if you have not subscribed, what you waiting on? Go ahead and do so. Come back for more videos. Other than that, it's been real. It's been fun. I appreciate you all. And this girl is done. Bye, guys.